Today we're going over the 1967 fuel sending unit installation. And what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that the gasket is lined up in there, and then line these pegs up here with these slots that is on the actual tank. You're going to sit it in, and then you're going to take this lock ring, slide it under, lock it in place. As you can see, I have locked it in. I'm going to go ahead and take a rubber mallet and knock this thing all the way around to where it's fully locked in. This little latch here will be all the way down here on this little peg right here. So once you get that done, it takes about, the whole entire process took about 10 minutes once the tank is down. Now granted, this is a brand new tank, and if you're wondering, this is a Takes Inc. baffling system, and this is for my fuel injection unit. But this right here, this sending unit's the same regardless of whether or not you're using a fuel injection or not, and it's on a factory tank, so a factory new tank. As you can see from Bob's Classic Impala, they did really pack it really well, so just for your information, when it does come from Bob's, it does come packed. Special thank you today to my son for helping me video, and thank you for the subscriptions, the views, the comments down below, and as always, if you're gonna ride it hard, don't let it sweat.